Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Isuzu MU-X, stock number 5863. This ran from 02-2017 to 02-21. It has a 4JJ1 3-litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed rear-wheel drive automatic transmission. This is a 4JJ1 3-litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Interior mirror. Front sunglass courtesy light with sunglass holder. 3-spoke factory steering wheel, and we have the instrument cluster.